Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN for accessing Geo-Blocked Australian streaming services. So make sure in your mind you will be just download the VPN, any of VPN, but I will be just suggest for the Hotspot Shield, and the 1 month it will be just free. You will just start a free trial, and after a month you will be just paid this subscription for the $9.99, and the yearly is the $79.99. So I will already download it, this Hotspot Shield VPN, and when you just connect it, you will be just tap on this automatic. And if you are living in Australia, so you will be just select the server from the Australia and just choose the any of city, Sydney or Melbourne. So it will says that if you want to unblock this feature, so you will just have to upgrade now to enjoy all premium membership benefits. So when you just upgrade your premium package, it will be just give you option to connect the server with the Australian, so you will be able to accessing geo-blocked Australian streaming services. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.